This is a dictation at the rate of 80 words per minute. Yes, start. We all know that after independence, India adopted a parliamentary form of democracy. In this kind of political setup, we have a union government at the center and the states who form a legislature of their own by way of legislative elections. The President of India addresses both the houses of the Parliament at the commencement of the first session of each year. In an election year, the President addresses the Parliament at the commencement of the first session after each general election. After constitution of the new Lok Sabha, this address by the President is of utmost importance, and the ruling party and the opposition have great regard for it. The other house of parliament, which is called Rajya Sabha, has senior political members and people who have excelled in their respective fields, be it education, science, social service, sports, literature, and so on. Para. The provision for an address by the head of the state to the Parliament goes back to the year 1921, when the central legislature was set up for the first time under the Government of India Act 1919. Under the Article 87(1) of the Constitution, the President may address either House of the Parliament or both the houses assembled together, and for that purpose requires the attendance of the members. It provides that at the commencement of the first session of each year, the President shall address both the houses of the Parliament assembled together and inform the Parliament of the causes of its summons. The address by the President is a statement of policy of the government. It contains a review of the activities and achievements of the government during the previous year and sets out the policies which it wishes to pursue with regard to important national and international issues. It also indicates the main items of legislative business which are proposed to be brought before Parliament during the sessions to be held that year. Para. The President of India, Shri Ram Nath Kovind, addressed members of both the houses of Parliament assembled together in the Central Hall of Parliament House on January 31, 2022. In this address, the President spoke about the socio-medical effects of pandemic caused by coronavirus, which started in India in the beginning of the year 2020. He consoled the people who lost their dear ones and also appreciated the efforts made on the part of the government of India. Stop and over.